कोई भी हैबिट बनने में वी ऑल नो दैट 21 डेज लगता है. बट डू यू नो व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन गोल and habits? Well, goal means end goal, whereas habit means a path or a way that helps you to achieve your goal. Now let's take an example over here. For an example, if I want to lose 5 kgs weight, now losing 5 kgs weight is my end goal. But how will I achieve my goal? Through my little habits, which can include which can include having more water, having more veggies, junk food खाना, time पे gym जाना, exercise करना. So these are small habits which will help me to achieve my end goal, which is losing 5 kgs of weight. So in this video I'm going to tell you few habits which you can swap. Like कोई भी आप चीज़ करते हो, आप उसको अच्छी हैबिट से रिप्लेस कर दो, विच इज स्वॉपिंग. सो दीज स्मॉल हैबिट्स विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू इन योर ओवरऑल पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट. व्हेन आई से पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट, इट जनरली इंक्लूड्स 4 things: your health, your mental wellness, your career, your finances, right? So these 3-4 aspects overall comprises and overall helps you to achieve the personal development, right? So let's just start with the video. If you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to this video, because there are many people who are just watching this videos and not subscribing. I am thankful to them, but I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to this channel, because it really boosts my confidence and helps me to keep on track. So if you think that you haven't hit the gym, या आपने बहुत सारा बाहर का खाया है, या in general कुछ भी नहीं किया, but make a habit of climbing stairs in a day. कोई भी फ्लोर हो, एटलीस्ट 5th-6th फ्लोर तक, तो जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर क्लाइंबिंग द स्टेयर्स. नाउ इवन दो आपका ऑफिस 12th फ्लोर पे हो, 20th फ्लोर पे हो, डजेंट मैटर. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज आप 15th फ्लोर, इफ योर ऑफिस इज ऑन 20th फ्लोर, देन आप 15th फ्लोर तक यू कैन कम ऑन लिफ्ट, एंड बाकी के 5 फ्लोर्स यू कैन जस्ट क्लाइंब द स्टेयर्स. सो ये बहुत छोटी चीज़ है, बट इन द लॉन्ग रन इट रियली हेल्प्स. इट विल definitely going to help you with your health. If you think that you have a sweet tooth or something like that, then I would really recommend to switch it or swap it with some healthy alternatives. The best thing is to have some dry fruits. I know dry fruits sweet ki craving won't, you should not compare at the end of the day, but the simplest thing that you can do is to have kishmish. I don't know English में क्या कहते हैं. You can have kishmish, right? So it is sweet in nature, so you can just have that. या फिर कुछ भी खजूर हो गया, like dates या कुछ भी, something dry fruits में, but वो sweet हो जो health को नुकसान ना करे. I hope I'm making sense over here, but try to swap these things. Now if you are someone like me who is not very much into skincare or cosmetics, it's perfectly fine, because I find it very complex to follow 5 steps or 10 steps skincare AM PM routine. So what I do is I have made very simple skincare routine for me, which is according to my skin. So just follow that. Now what I generally do is I wash my face early in the morning. So I'm just telling my AM routine. So washing my face, applying sunscreen, and yeah, that's it. That's basically it. If it is not summer, then I also apply moisturizer. So washing the face, moisturizer and sunscreen, that's it. If I'm going to office, and if there is specific event at the office, or if I have to attend many video meetings or something like that, then in that case I just have Pond's BB cream and I apply it under my eyes, because I have dark circles, or I feel conscious because of that. So if I have some special meetings or something special, then I apply it. So I carry it in my bag. So make a habit of applying at least a thing or two according to your skin type, and yeah, just start. Now as we are talking about skincare and cosmetic, what the simple thing that you can do is, if you're buying something new, always make a habit of trying these things out. So if you are using something new, in that case what you can do is you can apply it over here or under or on your wrist, and you can see that whether that particular product is suiting you or not. Because I have seen many of my friends who are using very good products, but they're not very good for the skin, and at the end of the day they suffer, right? So if you have very sensitive skin, then please make a habit of trying. on a simple patch. Now one thing is in that can help you with your time management is to decide that what you want to wear the next day. If you're going to office, just think in your mind, okay, this is these are the things that I have and I'll wear this. Just in your mind. If you're lazy and if you don't want to set everything up a day before, it's perfectly fine. But the best thing that you can do is to think in your mind that okay, next day I want to wear this. So at least you won't spend time in making decision that what to wear, and that is something where you should not spend much time in the morning because you're already running late, right? So just think in your mind that what you want to wear, what you want to carry, and if all the things that you want to carry are in place or not. Now when it comes to cash, I have realized that if I'm using GPay, then I am spending more. But if I am giving money through my hands, right, if I'm using cash, in that case I'm not spending much. So if you're someone like me, then please always carry cash with yourself and make sure that you are using cash more for making the transactions rather than using GPay or Paytm or something like that. So that is very small habit, but it can really help you to save only tracking money. So I have talked in many of my previous videos that tracking money is very important for me, and I use Excel and some applications for that. So at the end of the month, I know that on cab how much I spend, on food how much I spend, if I am traveling then how much I spend on traveling. So even though I'm not adhering to my budget every now and then, it goes up and down. It happens with everyone, right? But at least I know that okay, how much I spend on what activity, and I know many people don't know about this. So at least I'm ahead of them and I am making smart decisions out of that sometimes. So yeah, tracking money is very good habit if you want to save money, if you want to invest, if you want to just save in general. Just have a habit of track the money, because that is the first this will be useful if you are working, right? So I was not in a habit of sending minutes of meeting after meeting, right? So one thing, it backfired me because my client was saying that we discussed on the call and I said no, we didn't discuss, and he asked for the extra work and I was not having anything in return. If I would have sent the MM right after the call, then things would have been different, right? So just always be in a habit of documenting things if you're working, especially, and sending the MOM to your clients after the meetings. Not even with the clients, but in general also. Just share the meetings, keep everything in writing. It is very good habit. Previously I was not having this habit, but after working in the corporate sector since last 5-6 years, I am very much into documenting things. I'm very much into writing things. If I think that this can be useful, or this thing this person can raise a question on me, then I make sure that I am writing each and everything down. And even if I'm speaking to them on phone, but I send MOM right after it. When I say habit swapping, so बहुत simple सी चीज़ें हैं ये सारी. Like आपका बहुत AM PM वाला बड़ा routine है which you are not able to follow, then have simple routine, right? If you are spending more using Google Pay, then use cash. If you are thinking कि आप बार बार कहीं फंस रहे हो in your corporate world and people are targeting you or pointing you out, then what you can do is you can just share an MOM, keep things professional. So these are habits, right? You won't do you won't be able to do it like this in a snap. In a day you woke up and like I'm different. No, these are small habits, and you literally have to follow these habits for certain amount so that they become your routine, right? So hope you like this video, and if you like this, then please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.